Hey guys, one of the biggest things to eating clean is making sure you have good foods available and just food prepping when you need to food prep and all of that good stuff. So I always like to have these little homemade Lara Bars ready for us whenever we're wanting to have breakfast in the morning. Mark and I both eat them, the kids love them, and I thought I would show you how easy they are to make and just share with you the whole process. So first things first is you need some pitted dates. Now you can spend as much or as little as you want. You can buy these in bulk, whatever you want to do, but I buy the Sun Sweet dates. They're pitted, and make sure you look on the back and make sure that all that you have are dates and that they don't have sugar. And make sure they're pitted because you don't want to have to pull the pits out of the dates. Next thing you need are raw cashews. Again, make sure that they don't have salt or oil or anything like that. These just have cashews. The next thing you're going to need is a food processor, and I will link to the one that I have. Mine is a Cuisinart 9-cup food processor, and I just use the container that has the sharp blade. And the first thing you're going to do is pop in your pitted dates into the food processor, and you are going to pulse them until they are pretty chopped up. You don't want to pulse it until it's a big ball of pitted dates, so make sure that you do it just until they are chopped up, and then we're going to add the cashews. So let's do the dates.
Heard a whistle blow, honey babe, Lord, thought I heard.
Now that we've got our dates taken care of, we are going to add the cashews, and I'm just going to turn the food processor on until they are well blended together, and you'll see that they start to come together and it's kind of gummy, like it's not in a bunch of different pieces, but you can tell that it's a consistency that is going to stick together, and that's when you know that you are ready to pour it out on wax paper and roll them into bars. So I'm going to add the cashews.
I'm going down the road, feeling bad.
Okay, my mixture is done, and see how you can tell that it kind of holds together? That is how you know that you are ready to roll them out, because then they will stick in a bar and stay together after you've cut them. Okay, I just ripped off a piece of wax paper. You can use wax paper or parchment paper. Either one is fine. I just like to make sure that my Lara Bars aren't going to stick to it. And then I have my mixture. I'm just going to dump it out on the wax paper. The thing I like about this is I know exactly what I'm eating, and I know that there aren't any unhealthy chemicals or additives. There isn't added sugar, just the natural sweetness from the pitted dates. And I don't know, I just like that. The thing I'm going to do is kind of mush it up into one big ball so I can roll it out easier.
I'm going down the road.
Now, I'm going to take my rolling pin. So I have the wax paper folded over, and I'm just going to roll it gently.
Honey babe, Lord, going down the road.
I like to put these in the fridge for a little bit and let them cool because they're easier to cut whenever they're cold. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back and cut them. Okay, now I'm going to cut them, and I cut down the center. And you don't need big bars because they're pretty filling. And then you just cut them into little bars. So